Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your stock turbo flutter step by step. Begin by ensuring safety. Cool engine, disconnected battery, and proper PPE are required before any cutting or tapping. Check boost pressure and confirm the turbo housing and actuator are intact. Gather tools like a hand drill, die grinders, proper fasteners, and torque wrench. Review local laws and emissions rules before modifying any turbocharged system. Turbo flutter is a mix of physics and plumbing that creates that distinctive sound at liftoff. I explain how pressure waves, compressor surge, and compressor housing geometry combine to produce flutter. You will learn where bypass valves, recirculation paths, and short dumps influence that sound. Understanding these interactions helps you make informed, reversible changes to tone without harming turbo longevity or engine performance. Start by inspecting all hoses and clamps, then mock up the short dump or bleed using temporary fittings. Make one small change at a time, run the car, and record boost and idle behavior to ensure no adverse effects. If you add a small recirculation port, taper it gradually and verify oil return and temperature remain safe. Prioritize reversibility so you can revert if you detect instability or damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.